It's my happy moments for us. We, the Organizing Committee of Research Society for the Study of Diabetes mellitus in India, conducted the 38th annual conference of our society in Kochi. And we are very happy to say that we got probably one of the best event management group for our activities, executive events. For us, they did full registration activities, a part of construction of registration pandal, venue management, beautification of the venue, management or coordination of the events. So we are really happy to say that our event management group, they did a commendable job. I would like to thank the officers of executive events for helping us for conducting this show a grand success in the city of Cochin. And my senior, Dr. Kamath, will comment further about the events in Cochin.
I have been known to executive events since many years. They are doing their work very systematic, punctual, and very cooperative. With every hard work, adjust themselves with the surroundings, help to their extents to the day or night, during the day or night, and sit by the side for every difficulties we face around for the conferences and solve the problems what we have without any obstruction. And we wish them again, and we would like again any conferences come on the further future. We would prefer to have relation with executive events. Thank you.